out here in Chelsea, Quebec today at Nordik Spa. Have a full spa day with wifey right here, as you can see. And this is the biggest spa here in North America, guys. It is here in Quebec, the province adjacent to Ontario. I don't think we will be able to film inside. I'll try to get some pictures and whatever video I can get. Let's check it out and see what's up. Let's go. You can see how full the parking is right now, guys. It's crazy. There's so many people here. We're here on a Sunday in May 2024. It's nice and sunny today, almost at the end of spring going into summer. It looks like they're still doing some sort of construction and stuff just over here, and this is where we head up to the top. This is what it looks like inside the men's locker room. Alright peeps, so as expected, we won't be able to film much inside the spa, but I'll take some photos where I can and get you some videos. I'll bring those up on the screen right now. Check it out. Alright folks, we spent like 6 hours at the spa, guys. It's crazy. We did a whole spa day, did some massages, all that good stuff. Checked out all the pools, the saunas. It was a great experience, guys. Definitely recommend and will definitely return here. How was it, babe?
Very relaxing. That's as descriptive as I'm gonna get.
Nothing? That's it? That's all we're getting?
I mean, it's good.
All right, that's all she's giving us, folks. Dorothy may have had an issue with her massage. The guy who gave her her massage kind of missed some of it, so it was a little bit shorter than she expected. But apart from that, everything else went well. And with regards to that, we did make the management know about that, and they did rectify the situation. So thankful for that. We are going to explore Montreal tomorrow, peeps. So we're gonna bring you with us on that video and show you what's up in downtown Montreal. It's gonna be our second time in Montreal. We've been there once before. It should be fun. So stay tuned for that. And I just want to thank you guys for watching as usual. We appreciate you watching. We will see you in our Montreal video. Take care.